Hello. What are we making? What is this? Can you say smoothie? Can you say it louder? Say smoothie! Yeah. And oh, is that Nika right there? Let's say hi, baby. Well, look what we've added. Say blueberry. And yogurt. And what is that? Right here. What's Miss Carrie touching? Is it an orange? No. Is it pineapple?
Yeah.
No.
What?
Is it a banana?
Yeah.
Yes. So we have blueberry, yogurt, and banana. And now we're going to pour in some juice.
What?
Do we want to put the sticker in there? No, we don't want to eat a sticker, but you could put the sticker on your shirt.
No.
Oh, no.
Daddy.
Okay, well, before we blend our smoothie, Nika wants to show you her beautiful manicure. Can you show the camera your beautiful nails? Say, ta-da! Oh, we are having the best morning, huh? High five. Bam.